Cows are considered sacred animals in India and hold a special place in the country's culture, traditions, and religious practices. Numerous Hindus revere cows as symbols of purity, motherly love, and compassion that embody the divine. The respect for cows in India is rooted in both religious beliefs and practical considerations for the environment. In this video, we will explore the various reasons why cows are considered sacred in India and the significance they hold in the country's history and culture. Before we learn more about India, make sure to subscribe so you can stay updated in this age of Asia. Cows have a prominent place in Hindu mythology, and many stories and legends feature cows as central characters. For example, the god Krishna, who is one of the most revered deities in Hinduism, is often depicted as a cowherd and is shown playing with cows in his childhood. Krishna's love for cows is symbolic of his affection for all living beings and his recognition of the cow's importance in Indian culture and society. The cow is also associated with other deities like Shiva and Parvati, who are often depicted with cows by their side. In Hinduism, the cow is considered a symbol of motherhood and is revered as a divine mother. The goddess Kamadhenu, who is believed to be the mother of all cows, is worshipped as a divine cow who fulfills all wishes and grants prosperity and abundance. Kamadhenu is also associated with the god Vishnu and is believed to have emerged during a great churning of the ocean. In the Puranas, Kamadhenu is described as a wish-fulfilling cow who can provide anything that one desires. Cows are also considered a symbol of wealth and prosperity in India, particularly in rural areas. Owning cows was a sign of a person's economic status, and milk, ghee, and other dairy products provided by cows were essential for sustenance and economic well-being. Cows were also used for plowing fields and transporting goods, which reduced the need for machines and vehicles that produced harmful emissions. Even today, cows continue to play a significant role in India's rural economy. Rural families still rely on cows for milk, ghee, and other dairy products. Cows are also used for farming, transportation, and manure, which fertilize soil and improves crop yields. For many people, cows are a valuable source of income and provide economic stability and security. Cows provide several environmental benefits that are essential for sustainable agriculture and a healthy ecosystem. Cow's manure, or poo, and this can be turned into methane, which can be used as a renewable energy source. Methane gas is a clean-burning fuel that can be used to generate electricity, heat homes, and power vehicles. In addition, cow manure is an excellent fertilizer that can improve soil health and increase crop yields. Cows are also essential for maintaining biodiversity and preventing soil erosion. It is possible to maintain grasslands by grazing cows and prevent the spread of invasive species. They can also reduce the risk of wildfires by reducing the accumulation of dry grass and other flammable materials. By preserving natural habitats and preventing soil erosion, cows play a critical role in maintaining healthy ecosystems and preventing environmental degradation. Hinduism emphasizes non-violence and respect for all life, and many Hindus believe that cows are living embodiments of motherly love and compassion. According to Hindu tradition, cows are not to be harmed or killed, and their slaughter is considered a sin. Many Hindus also follow a vegetarian or vegan diet as a way of honoring the sanctity of all life. Cows also play a role in Indian society beyond their economic and religious significance. They are often featured in art, literature, and music, and they are a part of many cultural celebrations and festivals. For example, during the Hindu festival of Diwali, cows are decorated with colorful ornaments and worshipped as a symbol of good luck and prosperity. In addition, cows have become a symbol of Indian identity and culture, particularly in the face of westernization and globalization. Many Indians see the cow as a way of preserving their traditional way of life and resisting outside influence. The protection of cows has become a political issue in India, with some politicians and religious leaders calling for stricter laws to prevent cow slaughter and protect the rights of cows. Cows are considered sacred in India for a variety of cultural, religious, and practical reasons. The significance of the cow in Hindu mythology and its symbolism as a divine mother have led to its veneration as a sacred animal. Cows are also valued for their economic and environmental benefits, providing essential resources for many rural communities in India. Furthermore, the cow's role in promoting non-violence and respect for all life has made it a symbol of Indian identity and culture. The protection of cows has become an important issue in India, and many people see it as a way to preserve their traditional lifestyles and resist outside influences. Millions of Indians still revere cows every day, and it is a fascinating and unique aspect of the country's culture and history. Continue to keep track of the age of Asia by subscribing to this channel so we can become a leading channel in telling the growth story of the largest continent on Earth.